Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I said? You see? Set the path for the youth. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel because I don't know all this shit. Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Selassie the First, and all things that's good. More I say welcome all viewers and subscribers. See? Viewers, if you like the content, subscribe and make it grow it. You see it? Now, the Bailiff left me a note last night. Say, me get a parking ticket as a taxi driver, you know, for driving in a bus lane. Now, it's totally legal for a taxi to drive in the bus lane in the city. Seeing anyway, them give me a ticket. Somebody tell me that the ticket would have gone away because soon enough they would have realized the car is a taxi and things like that. So, I said the Bailiff come this morning. Last night left a note say, within 24 hours I'm going to take my car because I not pay the fine for driving in the bus lane. I already pay insurance for that and everything. See? So, this morning, last night, before me go to my bed, upon that, I just park my car like that. Yeah. Not even a fart can walk through that. Yeah. So you want to clamp that, you have to get in. Because them basically have to clamp the driver side tire, you know. That means when you come for open your driver door, you can see say it clamp. Seeing because them clamp it on any other tire, you might not see it and just drive off with it, damage up your car, damage up them clamp and all them things they understand. Your fault anymore for them fault because they never left it in a position where you can see it. Even though them left a note on my window say them sees it and things like that. You know, see it? When him realize say him couldn't clamp it, him still left a note on it say them a circle up within 3 hours or them a come back for it. You know, see it? And about the place I watch. Seeing? So it's not a trick or anything, but if you can look into the mirror, them a kiss. You see it? Possibility for really do that in that space no exist. You know, see it? So guy come and say the challenge and just know say boy I'm have to, you know, back off from the Wonder Rasta. You know, see it? So it me there battle with them for a bit. But you can hear and see the frustration you know them voice still. You know, see it. But yeah, you just park your car like that, man, close to something where them can't really access your driver tire like that. I'd advise you get a clamp for yourself and just clamp it when you got your bed. So them can't put on another clamp on it again. Come out of morning and take off the clamp and go about your business. See? We no cause no virus or no country for lockdown in a Rasta. We don't know if a politics, we don't know if a cold war or hot war or what. We just know say it's not normal. It's not our fault. And the people who is most likely at fault is not being held accountable for this. You know, see? But still, we who could not perform in the slave capacity that we were allowed to survive are being penalized for not being able, for being disabled by people who are far better off than us. You know, see it? Yes, Rasta. That me have to tell them. Just share the knowledge. A guy have to smile like a fart. If you go between that and clamp a car. Yeah, so. Because there's no mercy, you know. You know, see it. When them come at you, they are coming. You know, see it without consideration for any other objective or ailment that might have befallen you along the way. You know, see it. So it's this I have to wake up and do a guy this morning, Rasta. Make a guy know, say, yeah, I need a car. Even more than how you need your money. You know, see it. Yes, I. You know, see, I have to think a step ahead and be creative in a Babylon, because all when Babylon don't need it, Babylon go on like them want it from you, you know. You know, see, just for subdue you and put you in a state of mind where make you more, you know what I say? Yeah. Dependent and them sort of thing there, you know, see. So, I saw it go Rasta, a bit of education and a bit of knowledge to the eye them. You know, see it? Yeah, and I'm serious, I actually experienced that this morning. You know, see it? I should have videoed the whole thing, you know, see it, but yeah, the whole happenings where the guy even dead there and thing like that. Tell me say about call the police and tell the police say me steal my own car cause him come back and not see it. So I tell the police, I report it to the police say I stole the car. Even me have to sit down in my consciousness and say, I wonder if me change the car name, change the car papers over to that guy and I remember. Oh, you know I got to report that with me. You know? I never really understand all that. But it's like I just the level of intimidation where them imply to as well. From people. Forget them for digging them kitty where them no have. You know see it? A guy not give her anything for put on Rasta. You know see it? Yeah, man. So, it's not a victory laugh or anything, but a space for consideration. We can actually reason out a solution. Innit? Yeah. A crisis. A crisis. Time now, Rasta. You can't come go on like you want to come put certain pressure upon human being with your little private ego or your little demands where you have, where you need to fulfill, Rasta. You know, see it, because you sound like you don't have no consideration or conscience for poor people, none at all. And we if about to your beck and call. You know, see it. I know you are work for we. You now work with we. You know, see it. Next thing where you come put condition on me in order for me sort things out, me have to go do certain things and you know? No Rasta. So little knowledge for poor people, you know what I say? Black up your driver tire. When them say them I come with them folly. Cause some guy come with some lawlessness too, you know. Where them find grey area within the law where them can operate and oppress people and get away with it. You know, see it.
Take a trip if you can.
You yourself be wise.
It's very expensive for people to go to Jamaica.
You know, see it. Be wise. And be careful of where some guy come, some intimidating tactics that some guy come bring to you. You know, see it. You know, see it. Everybody need to recognize that it's not them alone struggle with bills, giving all of the profit them make where them make and things like that over time when everything was alright. Every year a guy come and brag how much profit he make. And if him not make more than what he make last year, that him complain and bawl about. You know see? And that year a guy bawl about, say him not make like when the amount he make last year. See?
Yeah.
No a struggling time.
Trust me.
You
Before
know,
you done this,
understand,
you
say,
know, Jamaicans.
I know everybody a eat. Like Uno still a eat. You know, see it. Poor people now have nothing to get. Poor people can't even go to work, cause poor people under lockdown, Rasta. Some guy if it go with them dirty demands. You know, see it, you know, go on like you come try take man daughter out of them house as payment and all them type of thing there. You know, see it. And them depths they now go you know. I want them to know. Some people will reach them limit. Some people have limit before mine. Long before me, some people will reach them Hilton act. Erratic. You see it? Yeah, man. Protect on yourself, man, from some vampire out there where I run come knock people door and I go on like so well then. Them a lord and master. And without them, if you don't comply to for them demands and for them deal, your life I got end. You know see, cause basically that's how it sound. When a guy a charm 15 pound of flesh out of your pocket where already non-existent. You know see? Yes I. Share, like and subscribe in a Rastafari name.